Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. So today we have Gayatri with us who is from Tamil Nadu and she got placed in Capgemini recently. So let's get started. Let's talk to her and get to know more about the entire interview process in detail. Okay, so hi Gayatri,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Gayatri. Firstly, we would like to congratulate you on getting placed in Capgemini, Gayatri. We are very happy for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so ready to share the details with us?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever it is, please tell everything in detail, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, so first tell us from which college are you from, Gayatri?
I'm from Johnson's Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, and it's in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so which department are you from?
I'm CSC, Computer Science Engineer.
Computer science. Okay, super. So tell us about the eligibility criteria, the exact package, and the job role, Gayatri.
So the eligibility criteria is like 10th and 12th, you have to be minimum 60%, and then in BE also more than 60%, and no backlogs. All these are eligibility criteria. And
Okay.
then package is 3.8 LPA, and designation is analyst role.
Okay, super. Yes, totally, how many rounds were there?
They were like 2 rounds. For me, it was 2 rounds, but basically, others told it was 3 rounds. Like for me, only HR round happened, that second interview part. For
Okay, there
others,
was
we
no
had
technical interview round, is
no
it?
technical interview.
Why
Yeah.
was that so?
I also don't know, ma'am. I was just wondering what happened in that second part.
Okay, so this was an on-campus or an off-campus interview?
Off campus. Off campus.
Off-campus interview. Okay, so when did you apply?
I applied on July 1st or I guess, and then I got the first round on July 5th.
Okay. So when was the first round conducted?
July 5th, I got the mail that next day is going to be my assessment. And July 6th, 10:30 a.m. was my time slot. First round.
Okay, July 6th, the first round was conducted. You had applied on July 1st, 2021, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, tell us about the first round.
So first round has 4 sections. The first section was technical assessment, which is of pseudocode. And in that pseudocode round, they will be asking basic questions like related to while statement and the switch case statements. All C++ basics we should be thorough. And apart from that, there were also questions related to DBMS, OOPS. All are in not full program, but pseudocode. We can understand, so we can
Okay.
answer.
So
It
what
was
was the level of difficulty?
uh, for average, not too easy, not too tough. Yeah.
Moderate, you could answer. And total,
Yes.
how many questions were asked in this particular section?
For me, it was 25 questions and for 25 minutes.
Okay,
And
so will that vary for other students?
yeah,
Any
ma'am.
of your friends took up the same assessment?
Yeah, same assessment they also got, but some got 30 questions, 30 minutes, but I got 25 questions. That small vary.
There was
Small.
slight variation in number of questions. So
Yes.
25 questions and 25 minutes were given.
Yes, ma'am.
Sectional time was allotted?
Yeah, within that particular that section, 25 minutes means 25 minutes.
Okay. So you could answer all the 25 questions in the given time.
Yes,
Time
ma'am.
was sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the next section?
Next section was the English communication test. In that, there will be sentence correction, spot the error, prepositions, article, tenses, speech, synonyms, antonyms, and paragraph reading comprehension will be there. This was 35 questions in 35 minutes.
Okay. So for the verbal section, 35 questions were asked.
Yes.
And 1 minute for each question was given.
Yeah, same.
Okay. So questions from all the basic topics were covered, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And what was the level of difficulty?
This was quite easy compared to pseudocodes.
Okay.
It's easy to crack, but that time slot matters. Like for paragraph reading and all, the time will increase. Like we have to utilize much of the time. So that's the fact.
So overall, it was easy when compared to the first section.
Yes.
Okay, super. Yeah, then next section.
Next section was game-based aptitude test, and in that I got various questions like motion challenge was there, and then grid challenge was there. Grid challenge, it will follow a pattern, and we have to guess what pattern it has followed and what's the answer. So
Okay.
that question was there. And find the missing symbol. That question was there. And apart from that, a game, roll the ball game, which is in Play Store also. So that game was asked. It was like how many levels you pass within that stipulated time.
What
So
was
that's
that roll the ball game? What is it exactly? Can you just
that
explain?
is yeah. So one ball will be there, and we have to pass it on to the hole. In that path, we have to arrange the path. Like it will be like jumbled path will be there, and we have to arrange the path for it. So if we
Okay.
pass one level, it will move on to the next level like that. So I
Okay.
have passed
So
around 11
time will
levels.
be given. In that,
Yeah,
you have to clear as many rounds as possible.
and also the shortest possible distance we have to
Okay.
finish. So that
Okay.
was.
Super, super. Fine, fine. So this
And
was.
one more game was a memory game. One dot will pop up, and next one line will like it will be connecting, and then again that dot will pop up. So like that, the task will go on, and at last it will ask us where the dot was and how the sequence went, like that.
Okay, okay.
It was all a memory game, like so that's what little tough I felt. Other than that, it was quite like easy to crack because I've seen in our portal also there were lots of questions.
Okay,
So,
okay. So totally how many games were asked?
uh, 4 games were asked, like one section difference, and in that itself they will combine digit challenge also will be there. So
Digit challenge,
it will
which
differ,
is
not
like you have to
one.
perform mathematical operations, right?
Yeah, yeah. One equation and one two digit not be there, and we have to find out what the digit is. So missing
Okay.
digits and all
So
will be there.
every game had separate time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Every game there
Yes,
was
ma'am.
separate time. Okay, so
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you solve one particular question, the level will be increased and level two question will be asked of that particular question.
No, that was for that roll the ball, that game alone. It doesn't name and all, but I was saying like the
Yeah,
game
yeah,
name.
correct, correct, got it. So it was not the same for the other games, is it?
Other games, it was not level based. Second question, third question, like that it will move on.
Okay, 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 fine. So this was the third section,
Yes, ma'am.
and you found it easy only, right?
Yes, little bit easy.
Moderate types. Okay, you could do.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. Then next section.
Next section is behavioral competency, and it is not elimination round, and it will have around 100 questions, and it just checks whether you agree this situation or disagree this situation.
Okay,
So
you have to
that's
just tell you agree, you strongly agree, you don't agree,
yeah.
like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's something we call it as psychometric test, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so there were no aptitude questions, quant and logical.
No, ma'am. All those they are digit challenge and all. So that was game-based aptitude, not mere aptitude.
Okay, okay. So regular aptitude questions like profit loss percentage were not asked.
No, no, ma'am.
Even the logical questions like syllogisms, directions, nothing was asked.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this was all about the first round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when did you get to know that you have cleared the first round?
So I've next day itself I got the work style report for behavioral competency. Next day, July 7, and then July 31 I got the mail that your interview has been scheduled on August 2nd. So they had congratulated and they just sent this
Okay, so
mail.
there was a very long gap, right? Between the
Yes,
first round and the second round.
yeah.
Okay, okay. So on which platform was the second round conducted?
Superset platform, ma'am.
Superset platform. Okay, and on that was conducted on August 2nd.
Yes, ma'am. August 2nd, morning 10 o'clock, the time slot was. Half an hour I waited and HR arrived.
Yeah, then tell us about the second round. What questions were asked?
Um, so first they asked, tell me about yourself. I waited for around half an hour and HR came and the call pops. So it's a procedure. And then tell me about yourself for the first question. And then she asked, what are your strengths and what are your short-term and long-term goals? So, and then have you did any internship? I mentioned about my internship in tell me about yourself apart. So
Okay.
she asked what are the internship you did and what you learned in that, key takeaways from that, and what was your role, and what was the difficulties you faced during the internship, and then are you okay with then basic HR questions? Are you okay with the agreement? Then relocation, are you comfortable? And she asked for ID to show me my ID, government ID proof.
Okay.
And then any
So
questions for
all
me? She asked.
basic HR questions were asked, right?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
technical questions were asked, and not even HR questions were quite simple.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, just 10 minutes interview it was.
Okay, it was just for 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about your friends?
My friend, the same day, same slot, one my close friend she attended, and it was combined both TR and HR, technical and HR
Okay,
interview was
even they
combined.
didn't have a separate technical round.
No, no.
Okay, even
We
they
also
had
had,
at the same day, but technical questions were asked in the same interview.
yes, ma'am. It was basic of OOPS concept and all.
Okay, even there only basic questions were asked. So
Yeah.
only one HR was there, right?
Yes, ma'am. One HR.
Oh, okay, super. So this was about the second, very simple, right? Second round.
Yes, ma'am. But after completing, I just asked her whether I need to wait for the next round because I thought it was the technical round. Uh, so I was not sure. I asked whether I need to wait in the platform. She told no. This was your HR interview. You can log off from the platform. So that's it.
Okay. Yeah. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the second round, the final
So
round?
I got the mail on August, within 1 week. August 2nd, I have attended this, and within 1 week, August 9, in that date, I got the results. That I have cleared all the rounds.
Oh, okay, okay. So this was the entire Capgemini interview process, right?
Mhm. Yes.
Okay. So we would like to congratulate you once again. We are very happy for you, Gayatri.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
since you are a student of Quant Masters, please tell us how was your interview? How was your experience with Quant Masters?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Initially, at first, I have attended the orientation session of Himanshu sir, and I just saw an ad in Instagram, and I just logged in to the session. And at that time, I didn't join Pan Master. I just attended the session, and after completing my degree, after March or April starting, I just called Himanshu sir that I want to join Pan Masters. What will be the procedure? And I just joined. I was a student of batch 12, and then I attended the classes, aptitude classes, technical classes, and after that, the exams were there, like Capgemini exam and various other companies also. So before and after was the main thing. Before Quant Masters, I was not that much confident, and I was not confident on myself that I can do it. But after attending all these sessions, yeah, I can do it. That's the main reason.
Your confidence level increased, right?
Yes, ma'am. And
Oh,
the portal questions and all, it was very useful. This game-based aptitude and all, since I have practiced a few questions, I was able to complete it on time. So that was very useful for me.
okay. So one last question, Gayatri. Would you recommend Quant Masters to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am, for sure. Because this is a platform where I haven't seen any other platform like this, where you can learn and your confidence level will be such a so high. Because I was at a point like I can't get any job, so I'm going to do higher studies. But after joining Quant Masters, I realized, yeah, there are many opportunities. It's our responsibility to go to the opportunity, chase the opportunity, and grab it. So that's a biggest learning, and every other session will keep on telling you that it is not a mere telling, but their actions will surely tell you. And apart from this, all these interview experiences also helped me a lot. So yeah, this was about.
Thanks for the kind words, Gayatri, and thanks for sharing all the details with us. You know how many students out there are trying to get placed in Capgemini, right? I'm sure they will find it very useful.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Okay, Gayatri. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.